Hey everyone! So today we're working on an 8x16 canvas and we're going to do a dirty pour with 3 cups. My colors today are black and white. I'm using the Blick Bright Aqua Green, Soho Phthalo Green Blue, Craft Smart Sea Mist Pearl, Lucas Turquoise, Craft Smart Gold. This is Dalarani Phthalo Turquoise, Lucas Arctic, and this is Craft Smart Native Turquoise. So I have a nice big blend of colors, and we're just going to do the 3 cups, give them a little swirl, and we'll pour them on the canvas. So we'll start with some white. I do about a good tablespoonful of each color. Dirty pours are fun to do, especially if you're in a block, a creative block, because you can just pick colors and layer them in a cup and pour them on canvas. This helps a lot when I'm a little overwhelmed with getting ideas for my videos. So I like to just pick some colors, then some contrasts, and lay them out for you. The black in this will definitely be our contrast, as well as the green blue. And on the black, I always like to put a metallic. This Lucas Arctic is a really light color. It does dry really pretty though. I know I have plenty of paint, so I'm going to put a little more black in there and a little more gold. And a little more of the green blue. And then just a little bit of the Sea Mist Pearl. So that should do it for us. You set these aside and we'll pour. I will give those a little swirl just to marry the colors a little bit. I like to see what's going to happen, so alright. So if you're just joining me or watching for the first time, click that subscribe button and hit that bell. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. The nice thing with spraying your cup with this WD-40 silicone spray is we don't waste any paint, and your cups are so much easier to wash. Okay, so I'm going to flip those over because sometimes I can get a nice skin out of those. Let me give that a quick torch. Had some beautiful runoff here that I wish was on the canvas. I've used these colors before in a pour that I absolutely love, that I just can't part with it. I can't sell it. It's just too pretty. And I'll grab it and show it to you when this is resting. I love that lacing. Don't want to lose that. And let's see what's underneath this fogginess here. That's weird. Nothing wants to come up. Come on. I may have to tilt that off. That was all my contrast there. Didn't want to do that. Let me let it set for a little bit and we'll come back. Okay, I'm back. We got nothing going on there. But this is the painting that I did with these colors before. This is resined. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just love the gold in there. So I want to take this off, I think. But what I could do is pick this up and place on there and then tilt. So I might try that. So if I pick it up here, so bits and pieces that I want. Be a little picky. Okay, I don't want to get too muddy. But then I can tilt it. This corner looks funny, but it's so pretty on the edge, I don't want to lose that. So that did sell up a little bit. Let's see what happens when I torch it. I may have to bring the airbrush in to open this up. Let's just see what it's gonna do. There is a lot of color underneath there that wants to come up. So now let me torch. So there's other uses for your airbrush too. I'm gonna leave it. I'm not touching it anymore. This may change too, because there is some color under there as well. Yeah. So let's leave it, see how it dries, and let's see if we get our gold to show up. It's there. I can see it through the painting itself, but some of this color will sink and some of the silicone will continue to come up, and we'll see what it looks like dry. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out all the links below. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm not feeling the greatest this week either, so I'm probably not putting my heart into my color choices, but we'll see what happens for the rest of the week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.